this ain't gonna cut it. This is, I mean, it's a cool motor, and I dig it and everything, but it needs to be a lot bigger. Welcome back to the Workbench for a special edition 250th celebration, 10,000 subscriber celebration update special edition. I don't know what we're calling this. It's a Saturday episode that we don't usually do, but we're doing it today because it's a special day. It's the 250th birthday of this country, and we were doing a build to celebrate that thanks to Matt Young and his suggestion on doing a Weird-Ohs inspired 250th celebration build. And that's what we've got going on right here. Now, obviously, we did not finish it by July 4th, but that's fine. This gives us the opportunity to, in my opinion, do it right. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here. And then we'll talk about how we're going to up it a little bit, make it a little bigger and a little bolder, as it should be for such a big celebration and for this country. We need to go bold. We need to go big. But let's take a look at what I've got done so far. Basically, I've continued painting on Uncle Sam. This is going to be a long process. It's pretty tedious and detailed. And right now I'm still blocking stuff in, but I've basically got pretty close on his face and his hat. We're getting there pretty close. It still needs a little bit of cleanup and touch up. I can actually see some spots. Now that I get under these bright lights, I can really see where I need to touch up a little bit. But anyways, we'll get that done. That's just a process kind of going on in the background. But what I have done is got the key put in, like the sardine can key put in, that rolled back the lid that he's going to be sitting out of. And I think it looks pretty good. I love it. I think that was what or at least that's what I was shooting for. I like how it turned out. I think it's going to look really cool, but that's over the top, big over the top, as it should be. Uncle Sam is huge and over the top, as it should be. So what about this motor that's sitting here? This little dinky motor. In fact, let me see if I can get this out of here so we can look at this. This ain't gonna cut it. This is, I mean, it's a cool motor, and I dig it and everything, but it needs to be a lot bigger. We need a big old supercharger sticking up way up above. I mean, Uncle Sam's head's up here. There's no line of vision issues here. We need a big old engine coming out of this thing. And so here's my thoughts. We put basically the same motor, basically just a supercharged style motor. We just upscale it way big. We'll probably have to cut out the inner fenders and stuff. And we have that thing sticking way up out of the roof line. And then so instead of having it sitting on its normal stance like so, we have this thing sitting up crazy high. You know what I mean? Like where it's exaggerated gasser. Kind of that old cartoon style, where it's sitting real high, and then we can have some big old zoomies coming out from the motor out the side, you know what I mean? Like just have big old pipes coming out here. And then I think we bring them into a collector, because this is what my thought is. We have a collector that's kind of going like so, and then I don't know how long you guys have been around with the channel, but a while back we did a wacky races, and on the Dick Dastardly car, I had flames coming out of the back of its jet engine. We do the same thing. So I still have some of these little, they're basically for those little ceramic Christmas trees. This is what I got. So what we do is we build a zoomie with an LED right here, and then we have flames coming out. We can light it up and have the flames coming out of the zoomies. I think we do smoke coming off the tires. By the way, these are the wheels and tires that came with the kit, which are actually pretty cool. It's probably the best part of the kit, really. They're actually pretty cool. I don't think we're going to use them. We got to do, I think, what we'll do in the back is some big oblong slicks that are all crinkled over and peeling out. Might even do some smoke coming out of the back. And then we have, maybe we can use these wheels up front, but I think we'll probably do bigger kind of bicycle style front wheels with the spokes like this. They'll have to be a little bit bigger and sitting way up. We'll do some big leaf springs that have it way up like this. And then have it just peeling out, flames coming out of the headers, these big zoomies that go to a collector coming out. I think that's what we need to do with this thing. We need to go way over the top since, we have time now. Well, I say we have time. We have until August 22nd. My plan is to try to take this to the Space City Shootout. There we go. I remember the name of it, which is August 22nd. Now, with that said, I still want to do this right. Like, I want to completely paint Uncle Sam is nice, I want to do this right. It's going to be over the top, crazy, cartoonish, weirdo, all that stuff. But I want it to be refined and everything's perfect and looks good. So if the idea is to make the August 22nd date, I'm going to try my best to. If we don't, that's okay. I don't want to short this any because we're trying to hit a date. So if we don't hit August 22nd, we'll find a different show to take it to, right? We'll do something different with it as far as that goes. But like I said, I want to do everything right. I think the hardest part that I've kind of discovered is I want to do, so if we look at the box art, you can see the roof is red, which I like that. I like the red. Obviously we're going to do the flag down the side and all that. So if I paint the roof red, obviously the inside of this coil has to be painted red, and then the outside of the coil has to be whatever the headliner color would be, which whatever we decide. Probably white. I'll probably do it white. I don't know, like the dash is white. A lot of the door panel and stuff is going to be white. So that'll probably be white. So painting that's going to be the fun part because I've already coiled it. So I don't know if we try to uncoil and paint it or I just kind of spray in there and then paint it's going to get a little tricky painting that because we've got it coiled up already. But we'll figure it out. We'll get that done. That's no problem. But I definitely want to do the roof red, and that's going to be a little bit of a trick. And I want to do it, like I said, I want to do it right. And I want to, do the flames right. So I think we'll do the flames like I did the Dick Dastardly build, where it kind of goes from red to yellow and then to clear. And then you have an LED behind there, and they actually light up pretty good. It's pretty cool. That's what these are made for, is those Christmas trees, and they have lights on a light on the inside, and then it lights all these things up that are all around the Christmas tree. I don't know if you've ever. I think they're from like the 60s or whatever. But I found these online, and they work well for flames. Anyways, that's the plan. I think that's what we're gonna do. I just wanted to stop in here on a Saturday on kind of a special edition and give you guys the update, but mainly say happy 4th of July. Happy 250th birthday, USA, America, to all of us, to everyone. Happy 250th. This one's fun. I'm having fun with this. I'm having a blast with this. I love America. I love the red, white, and blue. So this is going to be a total blast. I'm having a great time. Anyways, let me know what you think. I want to hear what you have to say about this down in the comment section. Is there something else that I should do? Is there something I'm forgetting? Is there something big and bold that I need to add to it? You let me know down in the comment section. I really want to hear what you have to say. If this is something you want to keep up with, hit that subscribe button. We passed 10,000, making our way to 20,000. Let's get it going. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the hype button, do all those things everybody that tells you to do on YouTube. I got some fireworks to blow up and maybe a finger or two to lose. So I will see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.